Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be redoing this desk. It had been refinished once before, but now the paint is chipping off and it has some staining and it needs a new fresh look. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. But before we get to that, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, I do different crafting, DIY, fun projects, and furniture flipping. So if you guys are interested in that, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Anyways, that's enough of that now. Let's get to the video. So I found this desk for free on Facebook Marketplace. Someone was giving away 2 of them, so I went and picked them up. The one was made of pressed wood, so I really didn't feel like it would be worth my time painting it when it wasn't a quality piece of furniture, so I just gave it a really good cleaning and sold it as is for $15. This desk, however, is made of solid wood, so I will be giving it a makeover. To start things off, I'll be sanding it down to expose the wood underneath. I'm using 80 grit sandpaper on my orbital sander. I'm now using 120 grit sandpaper on the desktop to smooth it over in preparation of staining it. For the drawers, I'm sanding them down using the 80 grit sandpaper. Now I'm filling in the existing hardware holes with wood filler, and after letting it dry, I sand it down to smooth it over. So I was not loving the look of this detail on the base of the desk, so I'm actually going to be cutting it down using a jigsaw. I'm now sanding down all the edges using the orbital hand sander. Now it's time to give the entire piece a good cleaning to remove any dust and debris. I'm using this dark walnut stain on the desktop. I'm applying it with a rag, just wiping it on and then wiping away any excess. It's about time to get ready to paint. So I'm using Kiehl's all-purpose primer over the entire piece. It will help cover the places that I wasn't able to sand down and will help with the paint adhering to the piece. So after applying a coat of the primer, it is now time to paint. I'm using this Krylon chalky finish paint in a classic white color. I actually was not pleased with this paint. It did not have good coverage, so I ended up having to apply 4 coats of paint just to get complete coverage. So I will probably not be buying this paint again in the future. After finally finishing up painting, I am now ready to apply the water-based polyurethane sealer. I applied 2 coats to the desktop and the base. Now for the finishing touches. So let's talk numbers real quick. I got both desks for free. I sold the one for $15. This one I listed it and sold it for $75. I probably could have asked more for it, but I needed the space and was glad to sell it quickly. For the hardware, paint, and primer, and all of their supplies, I figured I have about $15 in the desk, so that's a total net profit of $75. And just a reminder, this is what the desk looked like before, and here it is now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.